Alright guys, had a little tiny bit of fork oil coming off of one of my forks. It was actually the other side, but I've already done the other side. I'm going to show you something that I actually found a while back. There's this device, it's called a SealMate. And what this does is it cleans your fork seals. A lot of times people replace fork seals and there's a chance that there's nothing wrong with the fork seals. There's a chance that some dirt just built up, here on your fork, and it went down and got stuck on that seal and it's not closing completely. So when your forks work with that little bit of dirt buildup on the seal, the oil's actually escaping. And of course that's not true in every instance, but for me, I kind of look at my dust caps and I'm thinking, you know what, that rubber looks really, really, really good. Kind of doubt that there's anything wrong with my seals. So they make a device, it's called a SealMate. You could probably make your own out of a really thin piece of plastic or something. Just have to be careful if you make your own, don't cut your seal. But the way this works is it's got a little hook on the end. What you do is you just slide this down, and I probably am not going to be able to do this with the camera, but you get it in there, you get it behind the seal, and then you just kind of dental floss them. You go around it, keep going around, and then once you come to the end, pull it up. You do that maybe 3 or 4 times. So if there's any dirt buildup, it'll come on out and possibly fix your problem. So again, this is a very expensive item for what you're getting. I think it's about $8 or $9. But you can make your own again if you wanted to. And anybody, these dust covers, the way they come off, simply get you a screwdriver, stick it right up under the side, pry up, go a little bit further over, pry up until you finally get it off. But it should come off without too much trouble. But I thought I'd share that. Again, SealMate Plus. And hey, again, I have to say this every time because I want to make some money one day. www.MEtricoil.com for any of your oil needs. Again, SealMate. Alright, thanks guys.